So hello guys, welcome to my channel Wild Coding. In this video I will show you how you can get the Visual Studio Code. So guys, started. So first open your browser and type Visual Studio Code. So just click on the first website, open this and just scroll down. Scrolling. So choose which you want. If you have Mac, so just click here and download. If you have Windows, I have Windows, so I just click here and just tap on download. The download has been started. So my download has been completed. So after, just show in folder. And just open the folder. To and click the allow, okay, and accept the all agreement. Next. Yeah, if you want to create a desktop, I can just click here. Next, install. Installation in the progress. It may take few minutes or few seconds. As you can see, my download as installing has been finished. And just tap on the finish. So it's open. Just maximize it. Not showing. And just click on the welcome and tap on the new folder and just make a new folder. It's name full stack and just select folder. Yes, I trust the authors in this video, and just tap on the new file icon and give a name, index.html. So it's our first project. So just click shift +1 is just the exclamation mark and just tap and you will see the full content is this